flash point tester is an instrument that determines the flash point of a sample, which is the temperature point at which the sample vaporizes to another composition state in the air that can be ignited. That means it measures the lowest temperature at which the selected sample form a flammable vapor mixture with air. This is the automatic flash point tester. Initially, connect the device to the gas line for operation. You will find a switch button to power the device on and off. Once the device is turned on, a display screen will appear with the initial interface. This is the oil cup used for pouring the specimen to be tested. The container is marked, and the oil should be filled up to that level. Subsequently, place the oil cup into the heating device where the oil will undergo the heating process. After that, introduce the spark here to initiate ignition. This is the stirrer that stirs the specimen in the oil cup, and here is the temperature sensor that reads the temperature, which is then displayed on the screen. Here, the size of the flame that ignites can be adjusted using this regulator. In this display, we can set the parameters for the experiment. Initially, use the increase and decrease buttons to set the temperature. To navigate to other digits, use the cursor button, allowing you to set the values as required. Next, we have the up-down button, which is used to navigate to the next option. Pressing this button shifts the cursor to the sample number, where the inserted value will be displayed. Similarly, you can set other parameters. If you need to print the readings, you can turn it on or off. Once all the parameters are set, save the configuration by pressing the Save button. After connecting the gas line, proceed to fill the oil container. This oil is the substance for which we'll be testing the flash point. Fill the container up to the marked level. Place the filled container inside the heater. Next, adjust the gas line regulator to ensure the flame can be ignited. It's crucial to avoid a flame that is too high, as it can damage the equipment. Adjust the regulator to the proper level for a safe and effective test. After setting up the oil container, initiate the test by pressing the Test button. On touching it, instructions on how to fill the oil container, as explained earlier, will be displayed on the screen. Then, press Start to lower the arm, initiating the heating process. The sensor will continuously check for the active flame to heat the oil, and a graph will be displayed showing the gradual increase in temperature. The stirring mechanism inside the cup ensures a slow and even temperature rise. As the temperature increases on the graph, the flame remains active, heating the oil inside the cup. The system automatically checks whether the flash point is reached. Additionally, you have the option to manually check the flash point using the Open Lid button. By touching this button, the flash point can be verified manually before the automatic detection takes place. Once the temperature reaches the flash point, the test is automatically concluded. You can then print the result. In this case, the flash point is recorded as 60 degrees Celsius.